Alright, so it's first day of the race, and as you can see behind me there is a car standing on its own wheels, which is a very good sign. We've worked through the night, we fixed the structural components and make it work again. We fixed the suspension system, the car can be driven in a normal way again, and also we passed all the electrical tests again with the observers to make it electrically safe. And also we've tested the functionality, so we're good to go, we're gonna race. Well, it wasn't the start we wanted, but we're still in it. We're gonna start, as said yesterday, from behind, but we're pretty confident that we're gonna catch up real quick.
Die haben es echt geschafft, das abzuführen.
Alright, so we're close to our first control stop of the race. We're a little behind Tazanakt, which is like the biggest city around here. The race started pretty well. We had a nice police escort that helped us get out of the crazy Agadir traffic quite easily and without damage. That was the most important part. During the first stint up until here, we've had some smaller issues that made us stop the car a few times. That cost us some time, but it was quite clear that after a night like last night, where we had to rebuild the car completely from scratch for most of the technical parts on the left side of the car, that some problems or issues would appear. So we solved most of them. Some of them appear again. We'll see how we'll manage tonight when we're back at camp, where we'll have more time to investigate the car. But right now, when the car is driving, it's fast, it's doing what it's supposed to do, and that's what's most important, especially after a day like yesterday. And this is a long race. We're good to go. Okay, so our racing day is over. As you can see, we are not in the camp because we had too many technical issues. We had to stop too much so that we can't reach the camp in time. The regulations say that we have to arrive there at 7 p.m. If we don't arrive there at 7 p.m, we have to stop at 7 p.m. and trailer the car into the camp. So that's what you can see behind me. We're actually just taking the car into our trailer and gonna drive it into the camp. And in the camp we're gonna look into the technical issues so that hopefully tomorrow we can race through the whole day and show the true potential of our car. So stay tuned for the next days, and thank you so much for watching.